Good evening, Wisconsin. I'm student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. I was just taking a look at some of our current weather data coming out. Let's take a look at some of the current advisories, watches, and warnings we have across the state. Here in Danbury, we are under wind advisory until 1 o'clock a.m. tonight. Let's take a look at the current surface map. We have an area of low pressure across eastern Virginia. This is our storm. This will push off to the north and east, passing towards south and east, and as it approaches us, we will see an increase in some rain, snow, and sleet, and winds as well. The current satellite shows a very impressive circulation associated with that low pressure system, and again, this will continue moving off to the north and east. So let's take a look at the current radar. We can begin to see the precipitation moving into the state. It's depicting it as all rain. However, here in Danbury, we have had some very light and brief periods of some snow and sleet throughout the day. So I think we are cold enough to where this will begin as snow and sleet, especially to the north and west of Interstate 84. So timing this precipitation for you from one of our computer forecast models. This is for 7 p.m. tonight. It's beginning to show the bulk of the precipitation working in. I think that's timed well. I do think, however, we will begin as snow and sleet north and west of Interstate 84. By 11 p.m. tonight, it is now showing that mixture of snow and sleet across northern part of the state. And again, at 3 a.m. and after 3 a.m., the bulk of the heavier stuff begins to push off to our north and east. So what am I expecting for snow and sleet totals? South and east of 84, much little of anything. You get a little bit north into the state. I'm expecting a coating to 2 inches of snow. This includes us here in the Danbury area. It's a coating to 2 inches of snow and sleet. West side campus, maybe 3 inches of snow if we are to stay colder for a longer duration. And the jackpot should be the extreme northwestern part of the state, where they could get as much as 4 to 7 inches of snow, as they will remain colder longer and that would support more snow. So potential hazards, south and east of Interstate 84, looking at all rain in that winter weather advisory area, as much as 1 to 4 inches of snow. Highest totals northwestern hills. With that wind advisory and the high wind warning, winds gusting upwards of 50 miles an hour in the wind advisory area, 60 miles an hour in the high wind warning area, and winds of this magnitude could knock down some trees and cause isolated power outages. And with that coastal flood advisory, we are looking at some minor coastal flooding and as much as 1 to perhaps 2 inches of rainfall, especially south and east of Interstate 84. So bringing you back to Danbury, my forecast for tonight going for a low of 34, a mixture of some snow, some sleet, then rain, windy as well, with those winds gusting upwards of 40 to 50 miles an hour at times. Clouds stick with us tomorrow, pockets of showers as well. Cool, raw, breezy, highs near 40, northerly winds at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Now, if you would like a more scientific and detailed discussion on this storm, please check out my latest blog post at WeatherWiz at blogspot.com. You can also visit and meet our team at wcsu.edu/weather. And please watch tomorrow at 12 o'clock p.m. for Anna Cabrera. She'll tell us what we can expect to close out this week. Until then, I'm student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. Enjoy the rest of your evening and stay safe and warm.